Introducing the Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer. Chamber sealers have been invaluable to professional chefs because they achieve a reliable, airtight, mess-free seal, especially when it comes to sealing liquids. The Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer brings that technology to your home at a fraction of the size and cost, with plenty of preset modes to do more than just sealing. Chamber sealers work by using a powerful pump to remove air from the chamber, which makes the pressure inside rapidly fall. The longer the pump runs, the lower the pressure. Pressure in the chamber falls faster than the pressure inside the pouch because the opening is held down. This causes the pouch to puff up as the air in the pouch retains a slightly higher pressure while actively under vacuum. Once the vacuum stage finishes, it will hold that pressure while the sealing bar seals the pouch. Pressure in the chamber is then released so it can return to normal atmospheric pressure, resulting in the pouch pulling down tightly around the contents. These pressure changes are why chamber sealers are perfect for sealing liquid-rich foods. The biggest difference between a chamber sealer and the more common edge sealer or suction sealer is the way that the air is removed from the sealer bag or pouch. Edge sealers suck the air directly out of the bag that's being sealed, which can cause liquid to interfere with the sealing process. In a chamber sealer, the pouch is sealed under vacuum prior to the pressure being released, preventing any chance of food or liquid obstructing the seal. Once the pressure returns to the chamber, the pouch almost instantaneously collapses around whatever is placed inside. This makes for reliable, mess-free sealing, and it opens the door to all kinds of other cooking techniques, like making quick pickles, infused alcohols and extracts, flavored oils, and more. Plug your Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer in, turn it on, and open the lid. Lift the pouch holder and place the open end of your food-filled pouch over the sealing bar. Slide the edge under. Push the holder back down and close the door. After closing the chamber, select your desired vacuum mode and press Start, Stop. Once sealed, the chamber will release the vacuum and you can remove the sealed food. The vacuum and seal options can both be set to normal or strong modes, which adjust the amount of time the vacuum is pulled or the sealing bar is heated. Sometimes a longer heating time is needed with thicker vacuum sealer pouches. Simply adjust these settings as desired. Keeping it clean is easy too. Use a damp rag and a food-safe cleaner to wipe up any unwanted food residue. The infuse and extract setting. Traditional methods for DIY infusions and extractions take weeks or months. This setting speeds up the process, allowing you to make your favorite flavored oils, alcohols, extracts, and vinegars in a matter of minutes. The compress and pickle setting. This setting uses pressure within the chamber to compress certain fruits and veggies for textural changes or to saturate foods with pickling brine faster than traditional methods. The dry and cool setting. As pressure in the chamber goes down, the temperature at which water boils goes down as well. Taking advantage of this, we can quickly boil moisture out of products like a freshly baked loaf of bread to encourage faster cooling and drying while producing a crisper crust. Chamber sealer pouches don't require the internal mesh grooves needed by edge sealer bags to guide air out of the bag, which results in an overall more affordable alternative. They're also 100% plastic neutral thanks to our partnership with Plastic Bank, For each box of pouches we sell, the equivalent amount of ocean-bound plastic is collected and recycled into the global supply chain. Depending on what you're sealing, you can also use chamber pouches more than once, especially when sealing dry, non-messy foods. Just slice off the sealed edge, wipe the pouch out, and use it again. We've also developed plenty of chamber sealer-specific recipes using each of our pre-programmed settings, so you'll know exactly where to start. Performs under pressure. Airtight seals are just the start. The Anova Precision Chamber Vacuum Sealer.